Oh, fuck.
Hello, Digital Gamer. Safe
Hello,
away.
everybody. Digital Gamer 13 here, and today I'm playing Flappy Birds.
No, hello, Digital Gamer this time.
No.
Pawn.
And yeah, with my friends
Wow.
in the background on Skype. So yeah, let's play
I'm
Flappy
recording
Birds.
at the moment.
Except I'm playing it on the PC, so it will be harder. So,
I'm recording.
well, that good shiz.
I'm still recording.
I know you are.
I know, I'm just telling them.
Yeah.
And Aaron, so he knows that he's porn, but we're broadcasting in 2 videos at once.
Good, even better.
Fuck. It's actually hard
Just-
on here.
Just making sure he knows it.
I know
Making
it, that's
sure
what
he
I'm
Fuck,
doing
gets
it.
it back.
Jesus. It's actually so much harder.
Let's head to the store and see if there's
Yes. Bujinkin.
Oh wow, good job. Okay, I'm gonna fix the hole. Yes, there we
Oh
go.
man, I took it too hardcore.
Okay, screw it. You know what? I
Fuck,
kind
took
of
it
want
too
to.
hardcore.
I kind of want to sell all my crap now. I kind of want to sell my burst laser so I can
Wow, this
just
is
buy
like-
Joel for his. I can buy Joel, Nito.
Don't do that.
Why not? Then we can kill him.
Okay. Awesome.
Never mind. I won't sell my lasers for him. It's not worth that much. In joke, you won't get it. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to get to the rock controlled station sector. Actually, no. Okay, I might
Pain in the fucking
grab the
ass.
stasis chamber and see if I can get
No, that's
to
not gonna work.
the crystals. Oh shit! I think
No,
I'm
why am I-
trapped
okay.
now. I don't think I can go anywhere.
This
Wait.
will be better on a touch device, but
Wait,
whatever.
back. Let's go. Oh no, I'm dead.
No! I got 4, yeah!
I'm actually dead.
Good.
Okay.
Poor
I'm
James.
kidding, James.
Okay. I should put Aaron on the. I should have named one of the crew Aaron so he can die instead. I'm just kidding.
Wow,
Ow.
poor Aaron.
Okay, I'm dead now. Pretty much. Can you open this thing? Still in more.
Hey. Fuck, he. Jesus. I'm gonna put this game in the description below if you want to give it a go.
No, shoot him already, you son of a bitch. Good.
Ah, fuck. Gee, oh my god, it's actually a piece of shit of a game. Like, everybody at my school is addicted to it.
That's really
Jesus
song. I know what that is, but okay, I'm doing it.
Do you know why I'm playing this? Because my computer can't handle hardcore games at the moment. Fuck!
That's pretty
Because your
hard for your
computer is
reaction.
shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, you don't know how to my computer.
Oh no.
Jesus! Why is this game such a pain in my arm?
I'm
Jesus
dead.
Christ.
I'm
I'm
dead.
gonna stop saying Jesus Christ, that's so mean.
I'm dead.
Oh, fuck.
I'm dead.
Why am I swearing? I shouldn't be swearing.
I'm dead.
Fuck.
I actually have to. Right.
Jeez, I'm just... It's my muscles.
I
I'm
actually
just
have
doing
to
so
run.
retarded.
God. I'm stuck in a rebel-controlled sector, basically.
Hold on, that's embarrassing,
Isn't
isn't
them
it?
13
Jesus
gonna get
Christ,
sacrificed
God
very
damn it.
soon?
Yeah, fucking oath.
You know you're gonna die really soon.
Damn it. I don't give a shit.
What, you prefer to die than play Flappy Birds?
I don't know. This game's a hole.
Why is it a hole?
Because it actually sucks.
Okay, I'm dead, pretty much. Yep. I'm fucked.
Jesus.
Okay, now set the countdown till I die. I'm really going to try to attempt resisting. Digital Game 13
So
is
fucking boring.
almost dead.
Fucking boring.
Come on, dude.
Didn't you just say that you were gonna stop swearing?
Okay.
Digital Game 13 is
So
down to the
boring.
count. Hopefully it's
So
Dave Gus
boring.
next. Not me.
Digitally gaming at its best. So boring.
So boring.
So boring.
Yeah, that'd be
Just
a
so
new
boring 'cause you're
catchphrase. So
shit.
boring.
Yeah, fuck this game. Bye bye. Everybody enjoyed that. You probably didn't. So.
Vito's just shit.